Children, in the previous lesson, we learned the process of subtraction by writing two-digit numbers vertically. In this lesson, we will look at interesting examples related to this. Two birds saw Tufan Turtle thirsty near the pond below. The birds were determined to help him. They caught a wooden stick between them and told Tufan that they would drop him to the other pond. The only condition they had was that Tufan would not say anything all through the way, or else he would fall down. They had to travel a long distance, and birds thought that they would ask each other puzzles. One bird asked another, "I have 79 pearls, and I gave you 48 pearls. Then how many pearls are left with me?" Tell me, children, how will the bird solve this puzzle? Yes, to know the number of pearls left, the bird must subtract 48 beads out of 79 beads. Now, if we remove 8 ones from 9 ones, then how many ones are left? 1 ones. Now, if we subtract 4 tens from 7 tens, then 3 tens are left. So how many pearls are left with the bird now? Yes, now 31 pearls are left with the bird. Well done, children. Both the bird and you have answered it correctly. Now it was the turn of the second bird. This was the second puzzle. If Bhola read 27 pages of a book and Sher Khan read 52 pages of the same book, then can you tell me who read more pages and by how many? Children, can you tell me who read more pages? Yes, Sher Khan read more pages than Bhola. Now, how will we find out that how many more pages did Sher Khan read? Subtract 27 out of 52. Now can we subtract 7 ones from 2 ones? Now how will we do this? We will borrow 1 tens from 5 tens. Now how do we write this? We will show it like this by striking off 5 tens and writing 4 tens in its place, and we will add 10 ones to 2 ones like this. So now how many ones do we have? 12 ones. Now subtracting 7 ones from 12 ones is 5 ones, and subtracting 2 tens from 4 tens is how many tens? 2 tens. So how many more pages did Sher Khan read than Bhola? Absolutely correct, 25 pages. Just like you, the bird has also answered the puzzle correctly. Now the first bird asked one last puzzle. What is the number I have to subtract from 63 to get 44? The second bird was unable to find the answer to this puzzle. Upon seeing this, Tufan thought that he could show the birds that he is more intelligent than them. He immediately said, 19. As soon as Tufan opened his mouth to answer, the poor fellow fell straight down from the sky. Children, you also try to find out the answer to this puzzle and see if Tufan's answer was correct or not. Children, in this lesson, we saw some interesting examples of subtraction of two-digit numbers by arranging them vertically.